It is such a shame. It is the apex of lack of dignity, lack of respect. It is the most indignifying act I have seen in my entire life. For a woman that I would expect would have decorum, would know what is happening, to feed old men and women from the road, from the tarmac, from the floor, and give them beans and rice from the floor. I mean, I am sure even her cat and her dog at her house are fed better. They must have somewhere dignified to eat from. For PS to come and give and serve food from the floor to the residents of the great Gatundu South. She needs to know where Gatundu South is. She needs to understand what Gatundu South is. It is the most indignifying act I have seen in my entire life. It is so shameful. It is such a shame. And I know I have seen such tendencies, but I did not think it could get that low. I would just want to say to the government of William Samoei Ruto and the president himself, please save us this disgrace. Say something, do something, get our people from this shame that they have been subjected by your employee. I wasn't involved in any way. I'm the representative of the national government in my constituency in Gatundu South. How she decided to come without notifying me, I don't know. And hasn't been any bad blood. But I suppose she knew that I wouldn't accept such behavior, such treatment. And I think she only wants to disregard and to put the government in disrepute. And that is why she did that. Because other meetings that have been held are all held together. Today, we have meetings with all members of parliament, including Wamushomba and Koimburi. We were together doing a meeting today. And she chose to go behind our backs and hold an event to indignify our people. It is such a shame. It is the apex of lack of dignity, lack of respect. It is the most indignifying act I have seen in my entire life. For a woman that I would expect would have decorum, would know what is happening, to feed old men and women from the road, from the tarmac, from the floor, and give them beans and rice from the floor. I mean, I am sure even her cat and her dog at her house are fed better. They must have somewhere dignified to eat from. For PS to come and give and serve food from the floor to the residents of the great Gatundu South. She needs to know where Gatundu South is. She needs to understand what Gatundu South is. It is the most indignifying act I have seen in my entire life. It is so shameful. It is such a shame. And I know
Wanini?
Isi ndio nataka kukia. Bwana toka yako.
No ira. Wacha kupita mbele. Era huko diva.
Mheshimiwa Godaromenye, Mheshimiwa Itokoro, every time do karari wogo ne ko renewaga my strength nakota gothiororoka. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Asante sana ndikumuiga tondu nimenyire mukorokire tene tondu Mheshimiwa Burwa Kahagara ona tugikinya ha tumite Rimuru tumite kwa Mheshimiwa Engineer Kirago. And ona tuima haha tuthite kundu gwitagwo Kiambu kwa Mashua wa Ithaka na tuima hau tuthi gwakaga ombe turikirie Juja. So ngoda kumwira athuri aya tondu atumia ni moi kwibanga. Athuri urona haha okuo aya manjuragia jump ndimuragia mukwendaga nginye ha tondu nimenyaga nio Burwa Kahagara niwe gutuma jemanie na andu ega arari nikuona na nginya kamatungata wega. Joke juge muthenya wa mothe toka ha kwaria maundu ma kiama hindu ngitwaragia mothi wa nabe no tukunyitania me mothe and I will be very brief na kwaria na ihenya muno. Adorea he polling center turekire ithurano January mweri 10 10th of January na gugikorwo he polling center andu matanaimira kwa wiki na hindi ya gwacokirio kiama returns na ni muririkana aria mori ku hindi ya hindi twekaga ithurano twekaga naka biometric hari na machine yari hau machine ni yonanagia ni andu igana maima polling center riu kure guothe matakinyiria andu 50 ku guothe ni kukurerio gucokerwo. So meaning andu atuikarite haha polling center cia nyisho cia gwetwo icio stakinyiria andu 50 munene aigire gutire hindi ucio acio makunugamirira na hindi yo gutire andu angi maimire polling center yao na acio ko moka mekibao acio mokirire methurana maiga kwina ithurano. So akiuga no nginya riu tugare kona ithurano ici ciroka mweri 7 wetatu. Listen, wewe ikarite haha na no waheto certificate na polling center yaku ni akinyiria andu It is simple. Wetana imweke fao, mwirane mundu agoka na andu 10. Police center we gakorwo na andu 200. Yo horosi ndwathira. O mundu angiarana ni agathia ko ani akamenya uria akariria andu 10 na ungiona wikarite haha why I have told you gweciria hena mugeni woka ugiwa muciari ni maito wanyu siroki yakoro ni maito waka uti haya Mami wa kaunti no watu sitire hete ya Gen Z. Muye mwele ya hiyo ya hata nyarete ya kikira kinya akirikira hiyo ya Gen Z yo hora wekire. Doja no amura kiwana kweli mwele tidolito ha. Mama karibu sana wa murada hicho karibu sana. Hata ngerire kule ya buge. Tuigira tu wamekuja. Dara be damenyire mwere turito haga tondira kumbe wa muraga no athi marathon kai mwega sibolito na nikio kugaga okay karibu sana mam karibu sana na nikio kugaga mweri mugwanja that 7th of March okay tosio okay I'll tell you the reason why direnda ugathi wethi andu 10 nigetha biometric yaku ya hau hanyu police center ikonani andu maraimirire. I'll tell you why. Muthenya wa muthe turoka kumwira uria William Ruto araiga na wira uria William Ruto araruta. From 7th of March twarike gweka ithurano icio. Tukiuga andu ake Kiambu gucemania na William Ruto tondu ni acemania na delegate ake othe a county. County ciothe ni ararikanirie na Nyeri marari 18,000. Ona ithuĩ ni agacemania na ithuĩ. Agicemania na ithuĩ kuma muthenya uria agacemania na ithuĩ. Moro wa kahangara na Alice Mama Simba makiona message yake ama tukonanagira nawe because William Ruto akenda ku communicate na delegate ake akuma polling center. Hauna turaiguana William Ruto agisera rali kamwira mburu ekite mobilization andu aria arekoragwo ambere gukora rali arikoragwo andu akiama giake turaiguana ni kuonania kuma haha kinya 2027 na guthie na mbere we urikorwo mtandao-ini wa UDA na kindu giothe akienda gwika kana information arihetukagira kuri we indiria merchandise store drive ne hindi sirima China indiria material ici cia UDA ciriko cikinya ndurethia kuhoya muheshimiwa kana gwita Mama Simba uriandikagirwo message go and pick your merchandise mafuri ni makinya taine cia kinya cia yero na atumia itaba na maretho manyu ni makinya because you are the delegate. So kegatiriri na nini unekukura hara Mama Simba rokira ha muthako-ini wothe kuria degree yakwa ya mbere ndekire kindu gikatagwo banking and finance nicoka gika masters ya strategic management na riu ni hindi ndikuria daystar gika PhD ya leadership and governance mwaka ugithira muko mukijita Dr. Mama Simba ya through ya kwikira kirathi. So kamwana atiriri ni ndirokira ha agikorwo Nyeri mararutire andu 18,000 ri na ni constituency mweshimo ni constituency ithano kana ithathatu mararutire andu 17,000 something woko gwitu ri tu constituency 12 tugakorwo tugithakira 30 akarugama handu akaiga harambe na ni Kiambu mukiuga UDA ironekanira kuria screen-ini tondu andu acio magakorwo maringi muthenya arorete gutwita tondu ni arorete gutwita riu weke mathabu aiko ni 17,000 iri na maraimirire na 17,000 constituency thathatũ ri ithuĩ tugakorwo tukiringira 34 35 hau aiko ni 34 35 akinye amwite ta haha turi amwire watu wangu kila kitu yangu itakuwa inapitia kwenyu na nyinyi muende mseme kule nyumbani ya kwamba rali norami aho sikiri oguo rali no thoko rali ni waciana wa guthomera TVET wewe umenye ni wawe ko wa ambassador wa haria police center wa gutindokira andu amutinda nao itura reke itweke wira uria thirikari nene erutite o ni wira uria ikite atia erutite asoke akure na muomba delegate wangu mukirudi nyumbani wewe ende uchukue kitabu andika watu 20 wale utalinda mpaka 2027 wakati wa uchaguzi. Ukiamka asubuhi na wasabia jambo mlio hao nyina wajiko kuwa UDA lekete aterere no keithi. Lakini ikifika wakati wa uchaguzi 2027 wewe bado ndio utasema ina wajiko ukira muthenya wa wiki akura ni ukinyire. Do you know out of 34,000 ama akoma isemene na William Ruto March kana April mukitumo mundu athi oke na andu kibao tugakorwo 700 maite girimana na 700 na gutire mundu haicete rori iguru na gutire mundu utindete kuwagika siasa iyo etagwo silent political machinery. Ate gutire handu rona mundu aigete mutu chague hapana munyugunyete kore yathi hau na mama Simba rokira gona atiriri handu muthenya uria ndioka kundu gwitagwo rari ndinde kioreria ndirethaũ riu ndioka ngaiga ndenda delegate a UDA ndakonde na ngiri yakwa nguite ngoka kamurate mukendia William muri mukaigaga mama Simba okuguo haya gitekega mwana tena gaga rutire nakio tena gaga rutire nakio. And I want to say this. I am a believer. I am a believer of numbers. Okay, so kamusi weke mathafu masio we no it is not possible. No okay thimu the omuthenya wa omuthi tauda amura atiriri. Andu amathira polling center. Mugethi o mundu mwirane mugoka na andu 10. Polling center yo gutetanitwo mugakona andu 200. True or false? Na gutigakorwo mwanirira kuuja mundu agakorwo akuite andu ake ugo story na mukinye handu hau. Ngaiga atiriri na muko mu structure na kuria gutire kindu kiega to kiariria andu structure tondu matwaraga message na ihenya muno. Ngaiga atiriri andu ni moria Alice Ng'ang'a arenda gutuika governor mama Simba niki nie ko omuthenya wa muthe kumutuma tu na message ya maundu matatu tu ona ndikwenda exaggeration. If we can get it right thivitari-ini, if we get it right thivitari-ini tugokorwo tuhutitie nyumba yothe ya county ya Kiambu. Mundu uria utari murwaru ndamenyaga no hindi mundu urai na mundu murwaru kana mundu murwaru ni uramenya what I mean. That ati ukienda ukigwa nduraigwa mwiri wega ukamenya wona waingira thivitari-ini kwambiriria haria ha inquiry nginya gukinyagwa ukinyire ndagitari ati maundu mothe marasumuthira ni wega ati na wona wakinya macini utire macini ati wa karatathi gaka thio kahorwo mbica kana koi anga wa karatathi gaka thio kagure dawa na the day we get our hospitals right we are healed. Ndoya thivitari ni undu wake tamaka maundu maria maki mothe no muhote kuikira no maundu ma thivitari ndungihota kuikira niguo kana tiguo. Two, if we get our roads right na icio si anda mheshimiwa Kahagara you get it right tondu ndadio no kienda ona ni ndinde ndugamite haha ndikahota gukurehera me as an individual but the government can be able to give me tarmac as the government. If we get it right we are good to go. That's what we got to do for future because our children will take over from us. We make sure we give them proper education. Tuhamwe kiriria kamwira maundu maria merago mega muno na tondu ciana citu nacio ni irathomire na ciana citu ti horo wa kwandikwo ni murona kinya thiku ici andu ni mararutira wira me nyumba tondu kuma hindi ya covid turio ni atucojirie tukiambiriria new norms taru na tuikarite haha no rakorwo na message na ni ra communicate na ukarikia wira ungitwarire na maguru na ndona kinya. So we need as the government and the people of Kiambu kumenya kwina generation ile ethutha witu ma Gen Z ni aike muno matari na mawira tugwikate nigetha tumethere wira na handu mari hotaga gukorwa ni wona ndanyita icio mukaigaga no mama Simba niko katigu nikuonania muthenya wa muthe ndoka kumwira atiriri mwiyandikithie kiama na kwenda kwanyu na mukaimira muthenya ucio wa mweri mugwanja tondu kiria kiratuma munenda koretwo agituona because ithu he police center na to kwa mburu wa Kahagara gwika nginya constitution na gwakwa thika ona kukungi he kundu andu matanaimira wega. So ndamura mukaimira wega tuyandikithie nie wira wakwa ndigirai wa delegate magathi muthenya uriku nie munene ni tukwaria nake nigetha amenye delegate othe ake abuturacemania kuna muthenya ucio tutigathi ati uri uracaria kindu kia yeru muthenya ucio tugakorwo tuhiana jeshi thigari ya William Ruto ya kugati for once in the history of rally madrasa kwa mburu wa Kahagara nginya igane hindi yake riu ti ona ti guka kwanyu cost gwake mucii ukatara ugitarania barabara ciarani ati na Ngai ni mwega na nahe undu atana mwira ni turetitwo 2 Sundays ago turero every constituency cia Kiambu every constituency ni tuongerera ramiki 30 kilometers every constituency amwashimwa burudalaga every constituency ni ongeirwo kilomita 30 ogo meaning nginya tume tusira turaingirania turia matura-ini tugukorwo tugikira rami na nikio turaiga atiriri William Ruto wacha apatio another term ndio awe tu William Ruto tu noma si noma fire si fire noma si noma fire si fire na tondu nake ni mwamira ati William Ruto ni 2 term ona inye muthenya wa muthe mukiinuka muinuke mwe 2 term Mwenyezi Mungu ambariki na mtendee mema.